Oh yeah, there she is. She's got the new exhaust on, and it's gonna be a good cold start for her right now. Oh, just removing that exhaust too. She's like 30 pounds lighter. It's so much lighter. Look at that. Look how tucked away and gorgeous that is. It's also like I said, it feels so much lighter than normal, having that big exhaust on there. So this is just a pure, unadulterated quarter start. Oh yeah, that sounds amazing. Oh, she sounds so nice. That is loud as shit, if I'm being perfectly honest. Oh, that's deafening. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is loud.
He did.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Fucking.
And the corset, the white corset.
I thought you had that.
You find a blue one? No, I
No, she got a white one, but we can always dye it.
True. That's true. I didn't think about dyeing it.
You ready for this?
Yes. I'm so fucking excited.
She's not. Paul!
Waiting on you guys.
All right. You want to start yours up first?
No. Should you feel better? She's like, no. Not
I'll let you start yours up first.
I sent it to you. I think it's somewhere. Oh yeah. So this is the corset he's going to wear.
That was fucking amazing.
The white one.
I really wanted you. This is more rumbly.
Yeah, it is.
Just idling, you're louder.
Me?
Yeah. And just idle.
What was the second?
And then there's mine.
Huh?
There's on the
The little happy
Your
bundle.
idle.
Seriously.
Does it sound like a happy?
My idol is louder than her rev?
Maybe not louder, but I can tell there's a difference.
I like the deep rumble of yours.
You should hear it when it pops. Oh my god. Jesus fuck. It's just like
It's so quiet.
if you like the rumble, you should hear it when I fucking let it rev down. It just fucking backfires all the time.
Mine does too. I really like that rumble though, that deep rumble.
Yes.
Maybe I need
wanna
a
go
new
home?
exhaust already. Again.
Again.
No, I just gotta make it to the gas before.
All right, let's get out of here.
Okie dokie.
Have fun.
Always.